how to add roles on Discord. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, log into your Discord account and then click on your server, and make sure to right click on your server and click on the server settings option from here. And here you can see the roles under the member section, and you just have to need to create a role option, and you can just give the role name as moderator, and then you can just select the role color from here, and then you can just display role members separately from online members, allow anyone to mention this role. You can also click on that, and then you can just click on save changes, and you can click on the plus icon from here, and you can also add another role from here, and then you can just check on this too, and then you can just click on save changes. And as you know, or as you can see, there are three roles on the channel right now: the moderator, admin, and everyone. And there's, you can see, we checked one option that's moderator only, and you can see that from here. And you can also see the roles by going again to the server settings, and you can also click on the server, right click on the server, and just click the mouse on the server settings, don't click it, and click on roles. And if you click on roles, as you can see, there are two roles like moderator and admin, and you can just drag them and make which will be the superior than the other. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.